The Filipino farmer is a dying breed.
Ang average age ng farmer sa Philippines, 57 years old. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, in 10 years, wala na tayong kakainin. Siguro, 15 years.
The Philippines is very rich in land, that it would be our strength. We should focus on helping these Filipinos.
Lang ho ako nagpipirming magtrabaho.
Baka mga 5 taon pa yan, wala nang sasakain dito. Puro mga pabrika na dyan, umalis na.
Hirap ka, pawis, dugo.
Talagang sa kabataan niya yun. Madalang naglalabas sa bukid, mga takot sa araw, mga mainitan. Yung mga kabataan niya, mga magpapakinis ng ng mga mukha, ba't nilalabas siya?
And yung mga bata, mga anak nila, wala naman sa farming. Sa iba nagtatrabaho eh. So wala na mag-continue nun.
If we are not encouraging and inspiring young people to go into farming, I think that's going to be a big problem in the future.
For example, ngayon, kung walang foundation, walang gusto mag-initiate, ano ang future ng farming? Kung mag-iisip tayo, parang ano ba ang future ng farming? Wala eh. Walang mag-i-initiate, walang magmo-modernize, wala. Ang future ng farming, mamamatay ang magsasaka, walang bata magtutuloy. Yun ang future. Sure yun, in 30 years, yun na yun.
Halos wala na rin sa mga anak ng mga magsasaka ang gustong sumunod sa mga yapak nila.
Itinuturing ang Pilipinas bilang isang bansang sagana sa agrikultura.
Dahil laganap pa rin ang gutom sa bansa. Natatakot ang Department of Agrarian Reform sa posibleng food shortage kung magpatuloy ito.
There's no way to earn a living to feed.
Bitin kapag walang-wala na sa budget.
The province is expecting to lose at least half its crop.
America's farmers are getting older. The latest census data shows their average age right now is 58.
Wow.
And that number has been trending upward for the last 3 decades.
So, begs the question, who will grow our food when these farmers are gone?
The problem is obvious. No more people to farm the land. No more crops to harvest. No more food on the table. Hunger.
Pero pag ang population natin in 30 years, nag-9 billion na, tingin mo ba makakabili pa tayo sa ibang bansa? Baka hindi na eh.
Tingin mo ba bibigyan pa tayo ng China ng rice? Bibigyan pa ba tayo ng India ng rice? Sila muna unahin nila. Hindi tayo unahin. Paano tayo ngayon? Kundi iniisip yan. Walang kakainin ng Pilipinas kung wala kang tatanim dito. For sure, magugutom man lahat. Di ba?
The situation is dire, but not helpless. Actions must be done, and they must be done right now.
So, walang gustong pumasok sa ganong field eh.
The Philippines is in need of farmers. Intelligent, skilled, modern, and dedicated farmers.
Labor, they're going to be, with the boss. They're going to be agronomists, agriculture science. They're going to be the knowledge guys. I can feel this Filipino spirit. That nothing stops them. They're very resilient. They always go forward. They're hardworking.
The problems facing Philippine agriculture are deep and wide. Any attempt to solve them seem futile at worst and temporary at best. But steps must be made. Actions must be done. The Foundation invites you to be part of this solution.